There are 4 exposure modes, which are matrix metering, center-weighted metering, exposure lock, and manual exposure. Please note, in exposure lock mode, gain, exposure compensation, and shutter speed cannot be modified. In manual exposure mode, EC, or exposure compensation, cannot be modified. Next, select the white balance icon to open the submenu. You will see Auto White Balance Lock and One Push White Balance, which are automatic white balance modes. To enable the manual white balance setting, simply use the joystick on the UI to modify the values. The Manual White Balance Pro is for manual RGB gain settings. The Gain Limit icon opens a graphic joystick, allowing you to manually adjust the gain value. The Frame Rate icon allows you to change the camera's frame rate. The BC-100 has 6 different frame rate options. The Focus icon contains a submenu with automatic and manual focus options. If autofocus/manual focus is selected and the lens attached to the BC-100 has a switch for AF/MF, the switch must be moved to AF first. If there is no switch on the lens, then you can ignore this step. On the BC-100 screen, if lens is selected, the switch must be moved to MF first. Then you can adjust the focus ring of the lens to set your focus. Selecting the iris icon will allow you to manually adjust the aperture values using the UI joystick. The Advanced function icon has exposure compensation, brightness, shutter, HDR, saturation, contrast, and sharpness settings. These settings can also be manually configured.